You really want to improve your vocabulary, so you tried various methods, but you might be making these 4 fatal mistakes. Yes, fatal. So number 1, improving your vocabulary as much as possible. Story time. Back in the middle of 2019, I was eager to boost my vocabulary. My method was simple. I used an app called Momo-chan to memorize words one by one. So I focused more on the words I didn't know yet and skipped the ones I thought I had mastered. But that was too naive because gradually I realized that I kept forgetting the most common words. Another awful thing was that I found out I could understand individual words, but I couldn't understand them when they were in a sentence. Also, I discovered that I didn't really need such a huge vocabulary because my main goal was to be able to understand guitar-related content at the time because I love guitar, I want to play guitar. So knowing too many words had become a burden for me because I needed to spend time maintaining it. So why do I have to spend so much time to remember the words I don't use in my life? What the hell? Number 2, you think you can only improve vocabulary through vocab books, lists, or apps, right? But actually, reading and listening are more helpful for that. But you might ask, how can I read and listen if I don't know words? Good question. The answer is the other way around. Let me tell you the process. So, to understand English through listening, you need to read transcripts. To understand transcripts, you need to look up words. To understand words, you need to use your eyes to look at the meanings in the dictionary. So this whole process is already part of learning the words, okay? I need to emphasize the word already. You are already learning the words while you are practicing your listening, so you don't need to do it on purpose. Number 3, understand English by using individual words as basic units. Instead, you should use chunk. So any number of words in a sentence can form a chunk. For example, 现在 can be expressed as now or at the moment. I know many people are only familiar with now, but they don't even know at the moment exists, right? The same goes for then and at the time, which both mean 那个时候就是过去的那个某个时间点嘛. So a chunk is much more important than individual word. The concept applies to phrasal verbs, idioms, and so on. Number 4, over-relying on using pictures to learn words. This method is useful for understanding concrete nouns. For example, like your phone, your cat, your face, an apple, the words you can see and touch, right? So it is also somewhat helpful for understanding concrete verbs like, let me think about it. Smash the like button, or I'll pet your cat. Meow. You see, smash and pet in this sentence are verbs that you can visualize. You can use it yourself. You can see and touch them, right? So this type of word can be easily understood through pictures. But for words like confidence, victory, happiness, how can you understand them by using pictures? You might as well look at the dictionary ASAP. Number 5, almost all vocabulary memorization methods overlook natural speech flow. You know, in real life listening and speaking, especially listening, you will encounter various accents and various pronunciation phenomena like weak form, connected speech, like some of you become some of you, and get it become get it. The speech speed varies, like I can speak really, really slow, or I can speak really, really fast so that people can't understand what I'm talking about. And the pronunciation isn't always clear. You have to face these issues sooner or later. You might as well start practicing listening right now as well as improving your vocabulary. That's it. Okay, the last but not least, I want to say something for you. You know, learning English can be tough, but don't give up. I'll keep you company if I'm still around, all right? So join my course. I'll guide you step by step to achieve fluency goal. See you there at OIL.